Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you meet the prerequisites. You are in GTA Online, have a character, and carry enough cash. Once done, open the interaction menu and head straight to Style or Accessories so you can use equipment slots. Next, go to the in-game shop menu or ammunition stock and look for night vision goggles. Buy them. You want to act now so the items are in your inventory and ready for equipping during missions or free roam. Once purchased, equip the goggles through the interaction menu by selecting Inventory or Accessories, then the night vision item. Make sure you assign the goggles to a quick slot or key binding so you can toggle them instantly in high-pressure situations. You should also verify compatibility with your helmet or mask because some headgear blocks the NVG model. Change outfits if needed. This avoids losing time during a heist or stealth approach and ensures the night vision works when you need it most. To finish, activate the night vision in low-light areas and use the quick slot during missions. Toggle it off to avoid washout or stamina effects. If the goggles fail to appear, make sure you re-equip them, relog to the session, or remove conflicting headgear or outfit mods that hide accessories. If problems persist, clear clothing cache by changing outfits and then re-equip. Test the setup in a private session once done so you confirm visibility, HUD behavior, and that everything works under mission conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.